दिस इज थी MG कॉमेट, एक ऐसी गाड़ी जो जहां भी जाती है चर्चे से किसी के होते हैं। अगर आपको लगता है कि ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, ट्रस्ट मी, इन द लास्ट 2-3 ईयर्स ऑफ मी ड्राइविंग द कार्स एंड रिव्यूइंग देम, मैंने शायद ही कोई ऐसी गाड़ी देखी है जिसको इतना अटेंशन या फिर जिसको इतना क्रेज़ के साथ लोगों ने देखा हो। फ्रॉम कितना देती है टू कितने की है, आई हैव हर्ड इट ऑल इन दीज लास्ट 3 to 4 days. While we address कितना देती है factor in one of our detailed MG Comet EV range test, कितने टाइम में चार्ज होती है एक ऐसा सवाल है which is yet to be answered. When I tried to find these answers, well, all I had were the claim figures जो MG बताती है कि ये गाड़ी चार्ज होने में close to 7 hours देती है from 0 to 100%. Most of the people who prepared content around this car too did not answer this question.
कृपया अपनी चुल्ल का निवारण स्वयं करें, हमारी में उंगली ना करें।
So, and hence this video where we try to find out रियल लाइफ में MG Comet 10% से 100% होने में कितना टाइम लेने वाली है। You are watching All Rounders India, I am नितिन कादियान और इसी के साथ शुरू करते हैं yet another video of real world practicality test. फॉर स्टार्टर्स, जो हमारा चार्जिंग टेस्ट था उसके लिए हमने गाड़ी की बैटरी को ड्रेन किया। वी ओनली मैनेज टू ड्रेन इट टिल 11% अगेन, एंड इट वाज डिसाइडेड कि हम इस पूरे साइकिल में गाड़ी को 11% से 100% चार्ज करने वाले हैं। जो गाड़ी थी इसको प्लग किया गया एग्जैक्टली एट 9:02 PM where the charge it stood at 11%. Shortly after that 9:52 पे मैंने गाड़ी को दोबारा चेक किया जब इसका परसेंटेज था at 22%. The next test it was at 10:42 PM जब गाड़ी का चार्ज परसेंट था 35%. लेकिन shortly after this check we suffered a power cut which lasted for 15 to 20 minutes, but the electricity it was restored at 11:07 PM. जब मैंने गाड़ी को देखा चार्ज was close to 37-38%. Having said this, जो MG Comet है इसको मिलता है एक 17.3 kWh बैटरी पैक which gives it a claimed range of 230 kilometers, and as mentioned before जिसका claimed charging time है 0 to 100 का, that is close to 7 hours. लेकिन अगर आप इस गाड़ी को चार्ज करेंगे 0 to 80%, that would be taking close to 5 hours and 30 minutes for you. And here I'm also not so happy to report that unlike many of the rivals like the Tiago EV, Comet के अंदर कोई fast charging option नहीं है, which makes it, I would say, less suitable especially for those जिनके घर में एक dedicated parking spot या एक charging spot available नहीं है. Now coming back to the test, जो next check था हमारा वो था 12:23 AM पे जब गाड़ी का total charge था at 56%, which was followed by a check at 1 AM 29 minutes जब गाड़ी का charge था 73%. Now for those wondering, the MG Comet is powered by a 42 PS motor that delivers a claimed torque of close to 110 Newton meters. इसके अलावा आपको मिल जाते हैं 3 different region modes और 3 different driving mode which include the Eco, the Normal and the Sports mode. And I'm again on this front happy to report कि performance के terms में जो overall आपका driving impressions होगा, driving experience होगा in the city, you would be very happy as this vehicle is not only powerful but it keeps the driver stress free and somewhere I would say very happy with the way it delivers that performance on the ground. Now moving on to the final leg of the charging test, the car took close to 1 hour and 15 minutes to move from 72% or I would say 73% to 92%. It was exactly at 3:14 AM that I saw this car going as high as 99%, while we saw a 100% charge coming up at 3:18 AM. So a test that we started at 9:02 PM got wrapped up at close to 3:18 AM in the night, and the car it took slightly over 6 hours to charge for the same duration, or I would say to charge for the same capacity. However, it is worth mentioning the fact कि हमारे को एक power cut का सामना भी करना पड़ा था, which took I guess close to 15 to 20 minutes, but in my opinion 6 hours to charge a car like this, not very good but not very bad either. So well, the results are right in front of us. The MG Comet, it took close to 6 hours to charge from 11% to 100%, which in my opinion is not very bad considering the battery capacity this vehicle has to offer. Yes, personally, I did miss the fast charging capabilities that the rivals like the Tiago EV offers. But in all, I think अगर आप इसके पूरे चार्जिंग साइकिल को अच्छे से प्लान करेंगे तो इस गाड़ी के साथ एक पूरा वीक सर्वाइव करना विद अ सिंगल चार्ज और मे बी सम स्मॉल टॉपअप्स वुड नॉट बी अ डिफिकल्ट टास्क. सो इन ऑल, रियल लाइफ में गाड़ी चार्जिंग में कितना टाइम लेती है? वेल, वी हैव द आंसर, क्लोज टू 6 आवर्स. और अगर एक रफ कैलकुलेशन करते हैं, फॉर एवरी 1% ऑफ द चार्ज दिस कार टुक 4 to 4.5 minutes. फुल चार्ज में अगेन कितना आता है? 0 to 100 करते हैं तो कितना आता है? नाउ इट्स अपॉन यू टू कैलकुलेट. एंड आई पर्सनली, व्हेन इट कम्स टू होम चार्जिंग, I'm very satisfied, but yes, a fast charging option should have been offered with the Comet EV, and this is a big negative in my opinion. Having said this, what are your opinions about the MG Comet EV? Do let us know in the comments box below. You were watching Auto Hunters India. I am Nitin Khadian. Before I go, I would again request you to subscribe to the channel for more such interesting and practical content that we'll be putting live on the channel just for you. With this being said, we'll see you soon. Stay safe, stay healthy. It's bye for now.